Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is graph of function and its inverse. Graph of a function and its inverse. Graph of any function f of x and its inverse function f inverse of x are the reflection of each other in the line y is equal to x. This is true for all one-to-one functions and their inverse functions. This is true for all one-to-one functions and their inverse functions, because f composition f inverse will be equal to f inverse composition f, and that will be equal to x. Due to that y is equal to x is line of symmetry between function and inverse function. Now I will give you some problems related to this topic. Now we are going to start exercise 1.7. Question number 1 and this is question number 2. On a copy of the grid, draw the graph of inverse of the function. We need to draw the graph of this function. To draw the graph of this function, we need to draw here first of all the straight line y is equal to x. We need to draw straight line y is equal to x. This is the line y is equal to x. Now graph will be the graph of f inverse. Reflection here is this one, then this one. Actually this is the straight line. Okay, this straight line will be the graph of f inverse. Then in question number 2, this function g is given. First of all, we will draw the line of symmetry. That is this line. This is the line of symmetry. Now we have to draw the image, as here this starting from -4. Here also we will take from -4. It's passing through 2. Then this line will be like this. Then it will join here. and will pass through this one. This diagram is not much accurate, but when you will draw on the paper, that will be accurate. This is the graph of G inverse. This is the line y is equal to x, and this is the curve G of x. Now we are going to do next question, question number 3. Question number 3. Now we are going to start question number 3, and question number 3 is f of x equal to x square plus 3, where x is greater than or equal to 0. And here we can take x0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Even up to 4 is also enough. Up to 4 is enough. Then here, when x0, what will be f of x or y? x0, 0 square 0, 0 plus 3 will be 3 here. 1 square 1, 1 plus 3 is 4. 2 square 4 plus 3 7. 3 square 9 plus 3 is 12. 4 square 16 plus 3 is 19. Then graph will be like this. This is xy plane. Long x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Long y-axis is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. Now we will draw the graph. But before graph, we are drawing here the line of symmetry, that is y is equal to x. This is the line y is equal to x. Now we will plot these points 0, 3, x0, y3, this point, x1, y4, x2, y is 7, it's 5, 6, 7, x2, y7, x3 is y12. Then this graph will be like this. This is the graph of f of x. Then for f inverse, as this starting from 3, this is 2, this is 1, and this side 1, 2, 3. Here we will start from 3, and the image of this graph we have to draw this side. Image of that graph will be like this. Image of that graph is like this. This is the graph of f inverse of x. This is the graph of f inverse of x. Then we are going to do next question. Question number 4. Question 4 is g of x is equal to 2 raised to the power x. G of x is equal to 2 raised to the power x, where x belongs to real numbers. X belongs to real numbers. On the same axis, sketch the graph of y equal to g of x and y equal to g inverse of x, showing the coordinates. Okay, one thing is remaining there in the previous question. Here also we need to show the coordinates. Okay, where line crosses the axis. Y is equal to f of x here crosses y-axis at x0 and y3, and y is equal to f inverse of x crosses the x-axis, as this inverse function crossing the x-axis at this point, that is x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 0. These are the points. Now we are starting this question number 4. G of x equal to 2 raised to the power x, where x belongs to real number. First of all, we are sketching y equal to g of x and y equal to g inverse of x. As here all real numbers are in its domain, then we can take some negative value also, positive value also, 0 also. We can take all real numbers we can take. Here is x, here is g of x, or y you can say. If we are taking some negative value, we are starting from -2, -1, then 0, 1, 2, 3 is enough. When we are taking -2, 2 power -2 will be 1 divided by 2 square. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. 1 by 4, you know, that is 0.25. Then 2 raised to the power x is -1. 2 power -1 in denominator will be 2 raised to power 1. In 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is 0.5. Then we will place 0, 2 power 0, anything power 0 is 1. Here 2 raised to the power 1 will be 2. 2 square is 4 and 2 cube is 8. Now we will draw the graph. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. This side is negative x and this side is negative y. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side -1, -2, -3, -4. Vertically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, down no negative value, but if you are writing, no problem. Now we will draw the graph, but before that we need to draw the line y is equal to x. Y is equal to x will be this line. This will bisect first and the third quadrant. Y is equal to x. Now we are plotting the points -2 and 0.25. X -2, -2 is this one, and 0.25 little up. This is 0.25. Then -1.5. This one. Then 0, 1. Then at 1 is 2. At 2 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. At 2 is 4. 3 is 8. 8 is up to here. It means this curve is like this. This curve is like this. Then we will draw the image of this curve. We will take this line y equal to x, line of symmetry. Okay. This line y equal to x, line of symmetry, and draw the image at the other side, reflection. Then this reflection will be as this is -1, -2. Then this reflection will be in this way. And this is crossing here 0, 1. this is 0, 1, and this side this is 1, 0. This will cross this point 1, 0. And this is the image, the reflection of f of x. This is y is equal to f of x. This is y is equal to f inverse of x. This is the graph of y equal to f inverse of x. Now, we will check where line crosses the axis. This is the point of intersection. Now, y is equal to f of x crosses x-axis at point. That point is x coordinate 0 and y coordinate is 1. And the line y, the curve y is equal to f inverse of x crosses this was y-axis. This was y-axis. And inverse of x crosses the x-axis at point, this point. At this point, this y is equal to f inverse of x crosses the x-axis. And here x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 0 at 1, 0. This is the